Gosh, it disturbs me to see you, Gaston, looking so down in the dumps.
Punch.
Every guy here'd love to be you, even when taking your lumps.
Slam.
There's no man in town
Slap.
inspired as you. You're everyone's favorite guy. Everyone's awed and inspired by you, and it's not very hard to see why. No one's slick as
Yank.
Gaston, no one's quick as Gaston, no one's neck's as incredibly thick as Gaston, for there's no man in town half as many.
Expand.
Perfect, a pure paragon. You can ask any
Boink, boink, boink.
and they'll tell you who's
Boink, boink.
beyond.
Yank. Interrupting wind noises.
No one's got a swell cleft in his chin like Gaston.
As a specimen, yes, I'm intimidating.
I want a guy that gets down. Give 5 hurrahs, give 12 hip hips.
Gaston is the best and the rest is all to rip.
Splash. Punch. Slam. Punch.
Nobody
Chomp.
gets done.
For there's no one as burly and brawny.
As you see, I've got biceps to spare.
Not a bit of him scraggly or scrawny.
That's right.
Slam.
And every last inch of me's covered with
Yank.
One hits like Gaston. Match his wits like Gaston.
Slap.
Spitting match nobody
Chomp.
is like Gaston.
I'm especially good at expectorating.
Split.
Points for Gaston.
Ting, ting, ting.
When I was a lad, I ate 4 dozen eggs every morning to help me get large. And now that I'm grown, I eat
Splat.
eggs, so I'm roughly the size of a barge.
Bam, bam.
Looks like Gaston.
Then goes
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
like Gaston.
Slam.
Antlers in all of my